Today, nearly 175,000 students returned to the classroom as all Hawaii public schools are now back in session. KITV4's Aaron Coogan takes us to Ke'elikulani Middle School, where students and staff are adjusting to big changes.
The 2022-23 school year is officially underway, and for the first time since 2019, indoor mask wearing is optional.
In looking at how we were to decide on lifting that mask mandate, definitely was an important and collaborative one. We want to be sure that we can start to move back towards that new normal.
Of course, that key phrase being new normal. While same as ever, a new year brings new classes and new opportunities, it also brings new challenges, one that the leaders in our state's education system have taken head on.
Some of our focus will be on social-emotional well-being of our students, mental health of our students and our staff.
Learning loss has been something that we have been talking about since the pandemic. It is certainly something that we've seen, we will be facing, and we'll be facing for quite some time because learning doesn't take place. You can't just catch up over the course of 1 year when you've lost so much.
Bolstering mental health resources for students throughout the state and providing additional teacher training to identify student academic needs early, the Hawaii DOE says it's ready and able to tackle the year ahead.
Teachers are super excited for today. They're stoked for kids to come back and be game-changing. Now we get to see our kids' face.
Now the students can get back to our regular concerts, games, having things in person.
I'm excited to see everyone from 6th grade and excited to see how we're learning this year.
Still, as for the work behind the scenes, Superintendent Keith Hayashi says it's business as usual, making sure student health and safety is the #1 priority. Part of that national conversation within education, is increased security, especially we've seen some tragedies around the country. Let's talk about some of those security conversations you guys have been having and what parents can expect for the safety of their students.
Definitely want to reassure our parents that our schools are safe. All of our schools have safety plans that were designed, together collaboratively with their school principals and their staff through their safety committees at each of the respective schools.
Members of the Department of Education ensure efforts to keep the students, staff, and parents happy and safe will continue throughout the coming weeks and months. Aaron Coogan, KITV4 Island News.